Hey everyone, Jan here today, and in today's video I'm going to show you our newest integration of Needle together with Monday.com and how you can actually now manage your Monday.com boards and tickets, as well as assign different tasks to your different users within Monday.com, all through the Needle chat interface within an agentic way. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to know what are the boards I currently have in Monday.com. And as you see now, it has shown me 4 boards that I currently have within Monday.com that I have created. And why was it able to query this? Because you can see here all the tools that are available within the new Agentic chat. And in this case, the Monday.com tools that are available here for the Needle agent are the following ones, which are actually the official ones of Monday.com, integrated by Monday.com within Needle. I could also click here on any of these links and get redirected to my Monday.com board. As you see here now, this is a board I have created. You see it also is directly clickable and redirects us to the right items within our Monday.com application. So now I would like to create a new board, and I want to call it Mobile App Feature Sprint. For a sprint, normally you would create one board, and I want to create different columns, tasks, assignees, status priority, and story points for this. So as you see, this has been executed, and we can also go here and see the different tool calls that have been made. Create board and create column. As you remember, I showed you before the tools, and now we have this new board here. And if we would call again, list my Monday boards, we see that the new board has been actually added. So now we're having 5, and we can also click again here on this one and get redirected to our board. And you see actually this has been created with item priority, status, story points, assignee, and task, as we have described within the new agentic chat. Now what I want to do is for my mobile app feature sprint, I want to create different tasks that are related towards this sprint. So you see now 5 items have been created, and if we go again here to our board, you see that these tickets actually have been created. We currently have no here assignees for these kind of different tasks, as well as neither we have set priorities and story points. So we want to assign all of these tickets now to me, because I'm the only user within our Monday.com board. Normally you would have different users, which is your team, such as David, Emma, and so on. But in this case, for the demo, we are only assigning all to me. And we also are going to give story points to each of all our tickets. So as you see now, story points have been assigned as well as an assignee. And you can also see here, what happened is actually that the Needle agentic chat first was having issues to do that because it didn't understand the correct schema of the board. Because you see first it called like get users by name, and it tried to find the user, Jan, which actually it also found with a specific ID, and then changed the item value, so assign them and create story points. But it was not able to do so because the call that it made to make the changes actually required it to understand the board schema, which it didn't make a call here before, and it didn't understand the schema apparently correctly. That's why I tried to do Needle chat actually did a retry, and in this case it retried, and first of all it understood that it needs the board schema, so it queried the board schema, and afterwards it had the real board schema, the correct board schema, and it was able actually then to update these items within the Needle chat for the Monday board. So as you see now here, we have these different story points here that we have just assigned via the new chat, as well as assignee Jan, me, here assigned to all of these tickets. Now we want to say that Jan finished the research and move it to done state and create a new one, which is user feedback session, and assign it to me also. As you see now, this has been actually executed here within the new chat, and we can also go back here to our board. We see that this status has been moved to done, and we have this new item here, user feedback session, which also has been assigned to me, but currently there are no story points assigned to it because we didn't actually mention any story points in our new chat. Finally, we want to ask this week's completed work and what are the main remaining tasks, a very classic question you would ask maybe at the end of your week. And now we have a quick summary of what has happened in our Monday.com board. We see that we have like still 5 tickets open, some of them in progress. One, the user feedback session, haven't even started yet. And the user research has been moved to done. And this is actually very interesting because this allows you, if you're a project manager and you're working within a team, everybody in your team actually to have an overview when you work with Monday.com, if this is like the tool you're using. In case you're using Linear or Jira or another tool, we also have integrations with those. So you can ask very quickly and get a summary of what happens within your team, who is working on what, who has moved which ticket to which state, and who has actually maybe finished all the tasks, and maybe also who is right now lagging a bit behind and might need help, because sometimes this can also happen. So we are really excited about this integration of Needle into Monday.com and how you can actually now manage your Monday.com boards just via the Needle chat interface. And we are excited to see what you're building and how this integration helps you to save 1 hour of your time every day, leveraging the newest AI technologies and features to enhance your productivity and team collaboration within your company. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and see you soon.